In this next adventure, we're going to be visiting Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Arab Emirates, but a destination that seems to live in the shadow of its glamorous cousin, Dubai. In this series of videos, I'm going to be showing you exactly why Abu Dhabi is seriously underrated and why you should consider adding it to your travel bucket list. We're going to be exploring it all, including the top things to do, as well as some places to get your munch on, from fine dining to fast food and the most ridiculous buffet breakfast. But in this video, I'm going to show you around a room at the Conrad Abu Dhabi Etihad Towers Hotel, home to the highest viewpoint in all of Abu Dhabi. The views alone are unlike anything else, so let's take a look. What is up, and welcome to Maps on the Map, and welcome to the Conrad Abu Dhabi Etihad Towers Hotel. Come on in. So I'm going to show you around this room, and it's an insane room. So we've been here for about a day now, and this is kind of the little entrance area. We've got some fine pottery here, nice little bit of decor, and if you follow me down this corridor, we've got a painting which I like to call a camel in the desert, and then we've got kind of wardrobes here. So what we'll do is we'll just show you around the room. So this is one of the wardrobes. You get two his and hers robes, an iron and an ironing board. There's a nice mirror here for you to get ready. Up here, oh, okay, it also lights up. And up here, I think is spare blanket, spare pillow. And this is Mrs. on the Map's dress. And then you've got some slippers down below. And then they also have laundry service and things like that. Then in this wardrobe, there's like a kind of minibar area. There's some wine. There's waters, which I believe that they can refill up for you. And there's a coffee maker. And then if you come down here, this is kind of your teas and coffees and some little milks and things like that, which is a nice touch. And then in this drawer here, we've got a mini fridge, which all of this costs, so we're not going to be moving any of this about because I don't know if it's attached to a magnet which will charge you, but there is a bit of space there to put your personal things, you know, drinks, waters, things like that. And then in this wardrobe, as you can tell, there's a lot of wardrobes. You've got this box, but I don't really know what it does, but it's a nice little line box there, which is a nice touch. Some shelves to put some clothes on. There's a nice safe here for you to keep your belongings and things like that. And you've got basically just more storage really. And then finally, again, even more storage for you to put your clothes, things like that. And then this room here, if we're gonna open this, is the bathroom. And what a place. It's so nice. So in Abu Dhabi or Dubai, there's gold kind of theming in a lot of places, and that's kind of no understatement here with this nice kind of gold mosaic wall. There's a big bathtub and loads of towels. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 towels. So all the towels you could dream of. And then here we've got some nice amenities. So basically there's 5 Etihad towers. So we're in one of them called Conrad, but you essentially see 5 huge towers. And these are basically little amenities in the shape of the 5 towers. So you've got like this gentle body scrub. We've got conditioner. This is body milk. This is some nice shampoo. And then finally, this is some soft shower cream. So a lot of things that I don't really know what they do. All I care about is the shampoo and the body wash. Hand towels. And then there's cool little areas like a his and hers little cabinet. So for the lady, they give a shower cap, some, what the hell is this? Some alcohol-free mouthwash, toothbrushes, and also a sewing kit. And then in the men's section, you've got like a shaving kit, you've got a toothbrush and a tiny bit of toothpaste, mouthwash, and a kind of men's vanity kit. So that's quite cool, a nice little touch. And there's some storage down below. There's, like I said, mirrors everywhere, his and her sinks. And then if you follow me into this area, so this is the little toilet area with a nice toilet. And there's a phone, which works. So I don't know why you'd need to call anyone whilst you're on the toilet, but if you need to, you got that covered. And then this. Now, I think it's a foot wash because with Abu Dhabi being a Muslim country, before Muslims pray, they wash their feet. And so that's what I think this is actually, because there's a soap, there's a towel here, and this is attached to the toilet. And this is the coolest thing. You might think it's a water pistol, but it's not. It's a fancy butt washer. That's what that is. So that's quite cool. And then if you follow me to this area, so this is the huge shower. You can see how big it is. And again, you get the shower gel and shower cream and amenities. You've got a nice rain head shower and also like your standard shower head. So a pretty big shower and a nice shelf to put it's a bit wet. And a nice bit of shelving to put your own toiletries. So that was the bathroom. If you want to follow me, I'll take you to the kind of bedroom, office, seating area, bit of everything area. So this is kind of it really, and it's a huge room. So first what I'm going to do is show you the desk area, the office setup. You got this thing. Again, I don't know what it is. Ah, it's a hairdryer. So for those of you with long hair, me included, you've got a nice Philips hairdryer. It's a pretty fancy box for a hairdryer. You got your desk should you want to, I don't know, do some work. It's a big desk. Then they've got private dining room service menu. So we can just show you a bit about that. So you can have breakfast and things ordered to your room and dinner ordered to your room, but it is pretty expensive. The food ain't cheap here. I'll be doing a video on some of the restaurants here because we tried some of it, but it's not cheap in these hotels. Then they've got a nice little COVID station with some disinfectant alcohol wipes and also masks. And then here you've got a nice little phone, nice lamp. So yeah, that's the desk area. And then you come over here and you've got this. I think this is called a chaise longue, is that right?
I don't know.
I think this is a chaise longue. I might be wrong, but that's what I think it is. So it's just a nice little chill out area. Like I said, it's a pretty big room, man. It's a decent room. You'll see that there is an absolutely huge bed. This bed is massive, man. You can easily fit like 4 or 5 people in this bed. It's so big. And it's very, very, very comfortable. And then you've got this nice...
Did you just unplug it?
I thought it was wireless, I thought it was battery powered, which we accidentally unplugged. And a tissue box. And if you follow me over here, they gave us a complimentary fruit bowl and a nice plant which is already there. And then you've got this big TV. And you're thinking the TV's in a bit of a weird position, but it pulls out, which I'll now demonstrate. It's a bit stiff, so we won't be demonstrating that. But it tilts, okay? So you got a big TV, and here you can plug in, you know, HDMI things. So if you've got like a Fire Stick or a Chromecast, you can put Netflix on it. And then you've basically got lamps on either side. And then if you look down here, you can basically control all the lights in the room from the bed. So you've got the master light, a night light, a bedside light. This says DND, I don't know what that is. And this says made, and it's automatically off. So
DNDs do not disturb.
Ah, okay, Mrs. on the map knows that DNDs do not disturb, and I didn't know that. And it says sheer and blackout. We're staying in Etihad Towers, which is basically the highest viewpoint in all of Abu Dhabi. So the one thing I haven't shown you yet, which is what I'm going to show you, is the view. This place has a killer view. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here to open the shears. And then we're also going to open the blackout blinds. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you this mad view. So come over here and take a look at this. Just look at that view.
Oh, it's so foggy.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't see anything.
It's a bit foggy. And so this is the view. Now, it doesn't look too great at the moment because the sun is setting and it is a bit of a foggy day. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click my fingers. I'm going to show you what it's like when the sun is at its peak. And so this is the view in the daytime when there's basically no clouds. And just look how amazing it is. You can see the marina over there, the Etihad Towers here, and the views are just mad. So you've seen it in the daytime. Why don't we click to nighttime and see what the views look like? So this is the view from the room at night. So let's just have a look. It's absolutely incredible. See this building here? I'm not quite sure what it is. And then look at that, the Abu Dhabi night lights all the way going back. And then you can see some cars down here. So that's the view at night. Let's head back to daytime and show you the rest of the room. So we just got back from the water park. Mans is tired. And then we were thinking when we were driving back, it's pretty cloudy today. It's pretty dusty out in Abu Dhabi. So then when we came back to the room and we were on like, I think floor 48, the views are mad, but in a weird way because they're pretty non-existent. Look at that view of basically clouds. Pretty amazing. Normally you can see loads of buildings down there. So sometimes the best view is no view. It's like you're sleeping in the clouds. I didn't think I'd appreciate not having a view. So that is a little
You're
tour.
a bit dark now.
So that is a room tour of the Conrad Abu Dhabi Etihad Towers Hotel. The room's insane. It's a huge room with a mad view. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like, and if you've got any questions about the hotel or staying in Abu Dhabi, then leave a comment below. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace!